horse over Uffington hill, and the moon lit the valley below. Wolves ran ahead of me, scenting the prey, and I followed their tracks through the snow. The cycle of seasons was turning again. Winter would soon lose its hold, but moonlight appeals to me. Snow has its charms, and my kind do not feel the cold. I rode a white horse over Uffington hill, and the sun was just gilding the land. Slow light was bleeding across from the steed, and I met it with fire in my hand. The cycle of seasons was turning again, for all that the spring had come late. But the quickening air held a promise and more, and my kind are willing to wait. I rode a white horse over Uffington hill, and the valley was festival dress. Afternoon meadows, all rich with their fruit, had garlanded me with their best. Queen Summer has stepped from a throne as the wheel of the seasons turns once more. Everything changes and everything dies, but my kind go on as before. Oh. I rode a white horse over Uffington hill, unseen like a wraith in the mist, frost cracking underfoot. Everything shone like the eyes of the bird at my wrist. I let fly the falcon to summon the cold. Wolves came to lie by my side. And the cycle of seasons turns just as it must. My kind continue